Hey guys, this is review and quality check for US Dart steel 53mm steel tip dart replacement. The package including 15 points, and you can see the difference between the original point versus replacement point. The problem I have with the original 32mm dart point is too short. I cannot put my reference finger. I need something longer like this one so I can put the reference finger. That's gain stability and also gain more feeling, gain accuracy. You do need a repointing tool to replace the dart. Let's check the weight. I put 3 original darts. It's about 3 grams. And then for the replacement, the longer darts, it's about 5 grams for 3 points. So it does add some weight, so be careful. Some other reviewer complain about the dulling of the replacement. It's actually true. You can see this is the 32mm original point. It's very sharp, and this is the replacement. It's very dull. That's not a problem. I can use any dart point sharpener to sharpen it. I don't complain with that. That's easy to resolve, just like that. That's what I sharpened afterwards. But the real problem is the length. And here's the original point is about 32mm. No problem, very accurate. Well, based on the web description, it's supposed to be 53. I only got a 50mm. So let's compare with the product tag. It says a 53mm point. However, I only get a nearly 51mm. There's a 2mm short. So overall, I don't recommend this product. There's some quality issue.